Lesson 5. Activating the Grid. Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In this 5th lesson, you will learn how to activate the grid to enable the sprite to make precise movements on the background image. To activate the grid on the scene, click on the Grid button located at the top of the screen. You will see the grid appear, displaying the position of the sprite. Currently, your sprite is positioned at coordinates 8 through 11. Next, move the block to create a mission that instructs the sprite to move 4 steps to the right. Click on the block to execute the movement. Notice how the sprite has changed its position and is now located at 8 through 15. This technique will make it easier for you to place the sprite in a precise location on the background image. Now, open a new project and select the background image, Bedroom. Then, create a mission that guides the sprite to move towards the door. Thank you for watching this lesson, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more resources.